To add audio in Canva from your device, choose a video document. Let's go with the video landscape. From here, I want to add a blank page and I will check this box. You want to slide these down tabs to find your upload tab. I'm going to swipe this way and this is my upload tab. I'll click on upload. And here where it says upload file, I'm going to click on upload file. And I want to upload from my device. You would find the audio where it is from your device. This is the way I group the folders in my device. So I'll go over to my download folder, which is where I have the audio downloaded. And I want to find the audio I downloaded. This is my audio and I will tap on it. You see it automatically selected the audio section. You can see my audio being uploaded. You will see that the audio is 4 minutes. Once you have that in, you can just tap on the audio to add it to your video design or whatever design you're working on. You can now click on this page and stretch the page to 4 minutes. Once you're stretching the page, your audio will be coming out with it.